What's happening, everybody? Jim Beaver here, and hopefully you saw the announcement, but if you somehow missed it, I am now an ambassador for Apex Gaming PCs. Really excited about this relationship because not only do I game, but I also need a high-end PC for editing video, my podcasts, and everything I do here at JB15. So an amazing partnership with a company that I've followed for years, and really stoked to be an ambassador for Apex Gaming. So as we dive into things, if you see what you like, make sure and hit the link down below, and you can also use the code JIMB, J-I-M-B, all in capitals, and that'll get you up to $250 off a brand new Apex PC. Make sure and use the link below or the ones up in my stories, depending on which social media platform you're watching on, and bam, they can get you dialed in and get you a discount off an Apex Gaming PC. So let's break into this thing because it's been sitting in my office for a while now, and I haven't been able to break this thing open because we're waiting on the announcement. So here we go. Got these scissors. I'm going to hold them the wrong way, and we're going to cut this thing open and see what Apex sent me. I helped. They worked with me. I told them the type of gaming I liked. I also told them what I did with video editing and also audio editing, and they dialed me in with a PC that I think will be absolutely amazing for pretty much everything I need to do. So from here on out, you know, whether I'm doing a podcast, you see a gaming, an esports contest, whatever, chances are it's being done on an Apex Gaming PC. So it's got me excited, man. This is one of those partnerships with a company that I actually really use, and those are the best kind of partnerships. All right, so we got this big box we're cranking open here, and man, we got all kinds of popcorn. Yeah, we got to keep her safe. So I'm going to pull this out, and then we're going to probably have popcorn go everywhere, which is not a bad thing. Oh man, this is definitely heavy. Woo. All right, we're going to move this box, try and not get popcorn all over the office, studio, everything else. All right, that is out of the way. Now we get to the fun stuff. So we are going to spin this box around here, so you can see a little bit of a teaser here, a little bit of a teaser. It's got my name on the end of the box. Love that. All right, we're going to crack this open. All right, this is a real unboxing. Some of the unboxings you watch are fake. Let me tell you, this one is definitely not fake. All right, so got an installation guide. I'll have to get into that at some point. Looks like it's tied into my Wi-Fi card. Got a nice box here of all kinds of manuals. We'll definitely get into those at a later date. Probably with all the parts they've got installed. Got, man, drivers and utilities from Intel. Stuff on the liquid cooling system. All right, let's bust this bad boy open. Ho, ho, ho. She's pretty. All right. Dealing with a big computer here, and obviously a desk. So, like I said, this is a real unboxing. This isn't one of those made for YouTube unboxings that a lot of people do. Yeah, nope, not here. Oh. Lots of good stuff down in this box. We will pull that out. But see the front here, let's pull this off. Wow, I'm like speechless here. Sorry about this. This is a lame video. Yeah, you see here we got glass case, glass cover. All right, pull this out. Look at that. All right, so I got a little bit of work to do, but man, she is a beauty. Look at this. She's going to scream. What else we got here in the box? Looks like we got some goodies from Apex. all kinds of goodies, power cord, some tools, lots of good stuff. So yes, spin this around so you can take a peek at the back. Oh man, she is a beauty. So this thing, RGB, it's gonna have all kinds of colors. Obviously, we've got to get this opened and pull the stuff out of the inside, make it look pretty. We'll have a walk around in the future, but man, thank you to Apex Gaming PC for making this partnership happen. Like I said, I'll be using this for some gaming, podcasting, video editing, and a whole lot more. If you want to get in on getting an Apex Gaming PC, whether you're a podcaster, video editor, or a hardcore gamer, make sure and click the link below or up in my stories. And don't forget, use the code JIMB, that's just JIMB, and that's going to get you up to $250 off a brand new Apex PC. So yeah, we're going to get this thing in use. Watch this space, because the next video is going to be a walk around of this thing in action.